Hello guys, welcome back. Today we'll be talking about debentures. So what are debentures basically? Let's understand. A debenture is a type of long-term business debt not secured by any collateral. It is a funding option for companies with solid finances that want to avoid issuing shares and diluting their equity. A debenture is a legal certificate that states how much money the investor gave, that is the principal, the interest rate to be paid, and the schedule of payments. Types of debentures. There are many types of debentures. We'll have a look at some of them. Convertible and non-convertible debentures. Convertible debentures. This is a type of debentures where the investors have a right to convert their full debenture holdings into equity shares of the company. Non-convertible debentures. These debentures are issued by companies that don't give the option to convert debentures into equity shares. Registered and bearer debentures. Registered debentures. In the case of registered debenture, the company that issues the debentures takes into account all the details of the holder, such as the name and address of the investors, the number of debentures issued by the company to the debenture holder in the register. Bearer debentures. Bearer debentures issued by a company allow their holders to not maintain any records. Here, the company pays the principal amount along with the bearer of the debenture, irrespective of the name written in it. Redeemable and non-redeemable debentures. Redeemable debentures. These are the debentures where the redeemable date is clearly mentioned on the company's debenture certificate. Once the redemption date comes, the company is bound to return the principal amount to the debenture holder. Non-redeemable debentures. These debentures have no fixed date regarding the payment to the debenture holder. It is redeemable only when the company goes into the liquidation process. After discussing debentures and their types, let's look at the pros and cons offered by the debentures. Pros of debentures. Debentures provide long-term funds for the company with the interest generally lower than that of the rate of unsecured lending. The funds can also boost growth and prove cost-effective when compared to other lending options. Cons of debentures. With the issue of debentures, the capacity of a company to further borrow funds reduces. With redeemable debenture, the company has to make provisions for repayment on the specified date, even during periods of financial strain on the company. Is debenture an asset or liability? As a debt instrument, a debenture is liability for the issuer, who is essentially borrowing money via issuing the securities. For an investor, that is bondholder, owning a debenture is an asset. Are debentures risky? Debentures are riskier than bonds because they do not have the security of the physical assets of the issuing company. Because they are not backed by any form of collateral, they are inherently more risky. Should you invest in debentures? Before investing, one must properly understand the demerits and merits of debentures. Financing through them is less costly as compared to the cost of preference or equity capital, as the interest payment on debentures is tax deductible. They offer fixed interest payments, however returns often depend on risky investments. You could lose all your money if the company or investment fails. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you.